Question ID 704105. Let f is a function from closed interval 0, 1 to r. We defined by how it is defined. Fx is equal to sine of theta is x square. So sine x square. And a, let a is limit n tends to infinity sum of f function of k by n, and k varies from 1 to n minus n integration from 0 to 1 f of dx. This is the way. This is the way how a is defined. Which of the following statement is true? They are asking which one of them is true. First is a equal to 0, second a equal to 1, third is a equal to sine 1 by 2, sine of 1 all y by 2, and a is sine of in place of theta 1 by 4. So correct approach if I talk. So this is the Euler-Maclaurin formula. Euler-Maclaurin formula is there. What Euler-Maclaurin formula is saying that the expression for A, if I talk about expression for A, resembles the correction term in the Euler-Maclaurin formula for the difference between a sum and an integral. What it is showing? Difference between a sum and an integral. So if I talk about it, is just like the difference between a sum and an integral. This is an integral and this is sum, and Euler-Maclaurin formula is defined on that. So for a function f with f equal to f0 equal to 0, if I talk about this function, what is this function? Function of x is equal to sine of x square. So if you put here 0, so sine of 0 square, sine 0 0, so f0 is 0. So this is correct for that. F0 is 0. The formula gives, what formula is giving? Sum of function of k by n, k varies from 1 to n, minus n, 0 to 1 fx dx. That is equivalent to function at 1 by 2 plus higher order terms. Other things is higher order terms will come. For fx is equal to what? Sine x square. So at 1, because we have to find the value of this, we have to find the value of this part. So function of 1 by 2. So what is the value of this? So firstly we will find function of 1. At 1, it is a sine of 1 square, that is sine of 1. The higher order terms, all other higher terms will, what will happen to that? That will vanish as n tends to infinity. At n tends to infinity, it will vanish. So all other terms will be 0. So a will be dependent on function of 1 by 2, that is equal to sine of 1 by 2, and that is the correct answer, and that is the option C is the correct answer. Conclusion is that the correct value of A is sine 1 by 2. This is the correct value of A, that is sine 1 by 2, and that is available in option 3, that is equal to sine 1 by 2, and that is the answer. That's it.